friends, today we are going to tell you best IAS coaching in the southern city, Chennai. In Chennai, there are many IAS coaching institutes which has helped civil services aspirants to crack India's toughest examination, UPSC. So let's see in Chennai what are the best UPSC coaching centers. To check what are the best IAS coaching in Chennai, we will type best IAS coaching in Chennai. The number one website which gives the result of top IAS coaching institute in Chennai is blog.oureducation.in. Our Education is 10 years old edu ranking company which ranks colleges, courses, coaching centers across pan-India basis. This website is having very high credibility in telling you the ranking of the best IAS coaching institutes. In out of 18 lakh results, as you are seeing over here, Our Education comes on rank 1. Let's click it. Guys, we need some inspiration to get success in our life. To get such an inspiration to face the challenging UPSC environment, we choose right and best environment for preparing toughest examination like civil services examination. So guys, if you live in Chennai, definitely you would also be looking for the good environment for IAS preparation. So here is the ranking of top IAS coaching institute in Chennai. The rank 1 for top IAS coaching in Chennai goes to Shankar IAS coaching, rank 2 to Ganesh IAS, rank 3 to Officers IAS, rank 4 to AICS, rank 5 to Smart Leaders. Let's see more on these coaching institute. What is the IAS examination pattern? See, IAS examination occur in 3 stages. The stage 1, which is IAS prelims, happen in the month of May or June. You will get the notification for the same in December or January, and the result of IAS prelims comes in first half of August. Okay. Second stage, which is also known as IAS mains examination, which you can take only by clearing IAS prelims. When you clear the IAS prelims, then only you would be eligible to go for stage 2, which is IAS mains. This happened in the month of October and November. And the result for the same you get in the month of March. Okay, second week of March. The third round of UPSC's interview, which is also known with the name personality test. This happens after IAS mains result announcement, that is in the month of April or May. So this is all about IAS examination pattern. Let's see what are the top IAS coaching institute in Chennai. You would be waiting for such a long time. The rank 1, as I have told you, is Shankar IAS Academy. Shankar IAS Academy is a brand for UPSC exam preparation in Chennai since very long. For your information, I'll be telling you that Shankar Academy was established in the year 2004 by Mr. Shankar D. I call him Shankar sir. He's a very respectable person. Shankar sir was a postgraduate in agriculture and who has qualified UPSC examination interview twice, friends. Shankar IAS Coaching Institute in Chennai has helped somewhere around 1000 plus candidates in achieving their dream of becoming an IAS officer. So if you want to know more details about best IAS coaching institute in Chennai, you can go to this link blog.oureducation.in/best IAS coaching institute in Chennai, and I will be giving you this link in the description box. You can get more details on these 10 IAS coaching institute by visiting this page. Every detailed address of Shankar IAS coaching is mentioned. It is having 2 branch. One is in Anna Nagar and other is in their office. Phone number is 076677666266. Overall fee structure of Shankar IAS Chennai is rupees 1,40,000, and you can see the batch size is also good. It's just 100. Okay. Second in the list of top IAS coaching in Chennai is Ganesh IS Academy. This coaching center has helped many students in becoming a bureaucrat and guiding thousands of others to realize their potential. The institute takes pride in having successfully contributed to nation building, albeit in a small way. Ganesh IS Institute is also located in Anna Nagar, East Chennai, France. Ganesh IS Academy was established in the year 2001. The institute comes with the motto or the punchline, discover your potential. See the complete address of Ganesh IS Academy in Chennai. It is on first floor, CLC Works Road, Nagapanagar, Krompet, Chennai. Contact number is also mentioned 099 402 44576 98402 41118. The fees of Ganesh IS Institute is rupees 1,32,000. Batch size is 30. If you want to know more information of Ganesh IS Institute, UPSC exam preparation. Fifth in the list of top IS coaching institute in Chennai is a Smart Leaders IS Academy. Friends, you are watching our education page on best IS coaching in Chennai. So, in case you come across any query related to this, do ask us in the comment section, and even in the description box find this link to get more information on every coaching institute, because in this video I cannot tell you every in-depth details about these coaching. I can give you the main points so that video will not become very lengthy. Smart Leaders IS Academy for civil services exam preparation give you the training for UPSC, TNPSC, etc. You can even check best TNPSC coaching institute in Chennai from the link in the description box. Is known for effective guidance for civil services preparation. They say that we are the team of the Smart Leaders in Chennai. Around 112 students out of 300 got selected for IS prelims examination. This is the data that we have as of now. Let's move to the contact details of Smart Leaders. The Smart Leaders IS coaching is situated in Anna Nagar West. You can see that Anna Nagar is the hub of UPSC Coaching Institute. Contact number is this, and coaching fees is rupees 1,25,000. Sixth in the list of best IS coaching in Chennai is Cracking IS Academy. The contact details of Cracking IS is mentioned over here. You can see it is also in Anna Nagar. Seventh in the list of best IS coaching in Chennai is Periyar IS Academy. Thamthai Periyar and Annai Manyammayar. It's a dream of these two respective gentlemen. You can get the details of Periyar IS Institute over here on your computer screen. The fees is rupees 50,000, very reasonable for just 10 months. 8th top IS coaching institute in Chennai is Success IS Academy. The fees is 1,05,000 plus GST for entire course. 9th top IS coaching in Chennai is Chinmaya IS Academy. 10th top IS coaching in Chennai is Satya IS Academy. Friends, in case you want to know what are the top IS coaching center in Chennai with complete details, I will be mentioning you the link in the description box. Okay, and for top TNPSC coaching, because I know if you are live in Chennai and want to prepare for IS examination, people keep backup as a state service commission. I mean, they also give state service commission examination. So I will be mentioning best TNPSC coaching institute in Chennai, link in the description box. In case you come across any query related to top IS coaching in Chennai, do ask us in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out with.